Hey guys, welcome to Aprotech Electronics and the Aprotech review. So welcome to episode 2 of how to create an electronic shop or a wholesale shop of electronics. So in episode 1 we discussed about how you can start an electronics, but we did not discuss about business plan. So in this episode 2 we are going to go ahead and we discuss about business plan, what you need to do before you create such business or before you start up. So let us go without taking much time. Let us jump into it. So before we talk about business plan, what I can advise you if you are someone interested in creating a business, you have to first focus on location, or what we call strategic location. So a location is something that can give you an image whether to start a wholesale or a retail, or whether the products you want to sell will be good in a certain location. So before you go ahead and start any business, you have to ensure that you get location first. I know that you want to start a business in this location. Check what vital businesses, what is selling products, or the market in that area. All right, so let us start a business plan. So what I have in number 1 is vision. So let me first give you the list of what falls under business plan, then I will later explain one by one. So in number 1 we have vision, and number 2 mission, then number 3 we have objectives and goals. In number 4 we have unique selling proposition. Number 5 markets. Number 6 customers. Number 7 research. And number 8 marketing goals. Then lastly but not least is stages to be followed. So let me go ahead. I start from number 1 and explain one by one. So if I'm explaining the word vision, is something that your business will look up to achieve in the future, but not in long term but in short term. So you can create a vision and say that I want my business to achieve either to achieve like 20% supplying, or to become the best supplier of electronics in maybe 1 year. Yeah, like that. So it's something that a business can achieve in a short term, and you also look up to another stuff, or set something else in the future. Then in number 2 we have mission. So if I'm to explain mission, mission is what you set for the business to achieve in a long-term period. For example, you may say you want your business to become a big wholesaling business in electronics. Either you can set 5 years, but you make sure that you have set a long-term period which you're sure that you will achieve in that certain period. Yeah. Then in number 3, to explain the objectives and the goals. Objectives and goals, these are small targets that you know that you will achieve either in 1 week, in 5 months. For example, you can say that you want to become the top supplier of best products in short period. Then another example, you can also say that you want to sell all top brands. Either you can say in electronics, you can say you want to sell either Samsung, iPhones, Huawei, such products, and you say in 6 months I want to ensure I be having all such brands. So those are the goals and the targets which you know you can set and achieve in a short term, in months, for example months, 1 year. But if you go ahead and go into like 2 years, those are like visions. Then to go on number 3, we have a unique selling proposition. So what do you understand by this term? So this means how is or product or service differ from others in the market. You can come in the market and you find everyone is selling electronic shop, but what matters or what will pull the customers is how your services differ from the same people you have found in the market. So for example, we have sales warrants and other support services. Then we have best quality products. Another one is low prices. For example, you might sell at the low prices. And another example is offers. If someone buys, what offer do you provide on the products which you cannot find on other shops? Then another example is like home delivery. If someone buys, what service can you give, or what is the difference between your business and the other similar businesses which are like yours? All right, so let us go ahead and we go on number 4, which is market. So this one matters a lot also. In most cases, it often happens that you have a brilliant idea, but someone else has already started a business with similar plan. So this is a very common situation. You shouldn't let this stop. If you find someone is having similar business which you have, which you want, or which you know that you are interested in, you don't need to say that let me change business because there are a lot of competitors with similar businesses. What you need to do is to know your markets. Know your markets, what services they offer, make some changes. That is what you need to focus on. You have to know market, what services they offer, and make some changes. Manipulate them in your favor. Refer to business strategies to more ideas on markets. That is what you can do to improve or to go ahead and create a good business. So let us go ahead and we go to customer. This I always tell people who come to me for ideas. Customer is something very important in a business. You have to know what your customer wants, focus on areas that grab your customers' interests, bring in new products on the market and introduce them to customers. Sometimes a customer might not know what he or she wants, but for you, you know what your customer likes, what your customer wants, what is good product. So it's always about you to explain to a customer so that he can get satisfied and goes ahead and takes a new product. Either you can find new products on low prices, meaning if you explain to a customer, you can benefit more than products which are available on the market, which everyone knows, and which you get at a high price. Hope you understand my point. So that is what customer means. Offer the best customer care to customers. For example, no shouting to customer. If you shout to a customer, you might lose. Definitely you will lose. If you lose, you will not get that customer again. So let us go to another point, which is research. So this also is needed before you start a business. You have to make a research. You have to know the products which are on the demand, where you need to sell your products, something like that. So research the demand of the business. Demand should be more than supply. Hope you get that one. Demand should be more than supply. So research about common selling products on market, and the trending products. Always research is good because it tells you what you need to sell, what is needed, like that. Then to go on another point, we have marketing goals. So marketing goals, what do I mean? This means that how product will look like. This is one of marketing goals. What it will cost, that is also marketing goals. How I will distribute it. You understand my points? How I will distribute it. Then another one, we have the number of products that I will sell, product development strategy, price margins, and the delivery methods and promotion plans. So this marketing goals also, it will assist you to know how you will deal with your products, how you will strategize and improve in your businesses. So let us go ahead and we go to stages to be followed. So in this we have value proposition, customer segments, and channels. So in episode 3 I will explain to you what we call business modules. Yes, business modules, where I will explain value propositions and the customer segments. So make sure you watch episode 3 and you know what are business modules, what you will focus on. For example, electronics, whom can you sell it to? Those are what we call value propositions. So I will go ahead and explain to you. I will go deep and explain to you what is business module and what you need to know more about how you can start a business plan. And please don't forget to leave a comment or to like this video if you know it is good or it is suitable for you, and you can continue share it with your colleagues. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one in episode 3.